We are pleased to show you the 2018 Regal TourX. The Buick Regal TourX provides all the functionality you could ever want from a vehicle. Large amounts of cargo room, plenty of headroom and legroom in both rows, and a look that stands out from the rest are all reasons to check this vehicle out, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 900 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, cruise control, airbags, front knee, power brakes, trip computer, clock, fog lights, compass, child safety locks. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.